Hello and welcome to another Wilson 18 tutorial. In this video I'm going to be showing you a way of transferring files to and from two different SSH servers. So let's say for example you've got a file on the current server you are SSH'd into that you need to transfer to an alternative server. We can show you, or what I'll be showing you, is how you can get that file from your current server to the opposite server. It will be done using SSH, so it will be done securely, and you can also do the opposite thing. So say you've got a file on someone else's server that you need to get to yours, then you can do that. So what we have here is we have two separate SSH connections. So we have one to a server which has a host name of storage, which is a CentOS server with a secret file on it, basically. And here we have a file called a server called SSH, and it's a Debian server without anything on it. So what we want to do is we want to connect to the storage server and grab that file and transfer it to the current one. So the way we do this is we type in SCP and then the user that we want to use, so in this case it's going to be root, and then we need to type in the host name. So for this case we would just type in the IP address, and I always get this IP wrong, so just ignore it. Yeah, that's right, I think. And then what we do is we follow it by a colon, and then the file to, or the path to the file we want to get. So this is going to be in root, and then it's going to be my secret file, and then we need to type the location where we want to save it. So I'm just going to be saving it in this directory, which is downloaded. That's what we'll call it. And what it'll do is it'll ask us for our password, so we can just type in our password and then it'll start downloading it. So what we can also do is we can then upload this file once we've downloaded it to the other server. So it's pretty much the same command but just rejigged a little bit. So if we just give this another couple seconds and it should have finished. So just to prove that this is here, I'm going to be LSing it, and we can see it there. So what we're going to now do is transfer this downloaded file back to this server. So the way we do this is type in SCP again, then we type in the file we want to move, which is this, which is just going to be that downloaded, and I've got my fingers mixed up again. And then we're going to say the user we want to connect with, so that's going to be root at, and I'm just going to copy that IP address just to save me cocking it up. And then we're going to do colon, followed by the location we want to save it, so we can just go to root, and then uploaded. So again it's going to ask us for our password, and we can just enter it, and it should upload to the server. So let's just quickly go into here and we can ls. Obviously the transfer is not complete, but you can see it's created the file and it's still there. So from this you've been able to see how we can transfer files to and from two servers using SSH securely. This would actually work on the CentOS server as well. It's the same command for pretty much any Linux server that I know of. I've tried this in Debian, Debian, Ubuntu, CentOS, and they're the three pretty much main distros out there for commercial use. I'm pretty sure it'll be the same as any other one that uses the same SSH package, because it's just a package that runs off SSH, so you don't need to have anything fancy installed. As long as you've got SSH, you'll be sorted. Right, so I hope you found this video useful. I hope you put it to good use, and if you want to see more videos like this, then please do hit that subscribe button. It really helps, and it makes me aware that I'm doing something right. And as well as that, if you do like the video, please hit that like button. If you don't like it, make sure to also hit that dislike button and tell me why. Tell me what I can do to improve, and I'll do my best. Please make sure to go over to that wilson18.com and check out the forum. There's plenty of other tutorials, there's hundreds. and it's getting added to every week, so it's a good place to go. So thanks for watching, and goodbye.